Services in itself is fascinating because it has a lot of components that relate to sustainability. It's all about using the engines efficiently, making sure that we are getting the longest life, as we say, out of the engine, which is, of course, already helping the planet. At the same time, we are talking about reusing component, doing reman engines. This is all something to do with sustainability. We have a couple of upgrade kits already today that help our customers to meet the requirements of their regulation or whatever. One thing is the SCR catalyst to bring down the emissions significantly. Another one would be then in future the H2 upgrade kit for gas engines. On the diesel side, it is the HVO, which is now a big topic. Now we are actually looking at each and every customer, the business requirements that the customer is in, the region the customer is in, and then try to develop the right solution with them. Perfect way to go through a life of an engine or an equipment with our customers is a service contract, is a value care agreement in which we can include all those different requirements and also tailor the value care agreement to the customer requirements. To get the most out of our equipment and have a long life of the equipment, our technicians are really the key. This combined with our value care agreements is something that helps a lot to have a partnership over a long time, a long period. And this is a partnership in this contract that can also change when it is necessary to adapt to certain new requirements, going to net zero, whatever is needed on the customer side. We have a fleet of 3,000 VCA customers around the globe. Few of those are really interesting examples. For instance, one automotive supplier where we operate a microgrid VCA in Germany, in the middle of Germany, since a couple of years together with one of our partners. And this customer is a perfect example because they are having a VCA. They were going now through a couple of changes in their requirements in Germany. So this customer is now thinking about adding photovoltaics and wind to their power plant and interconnect that. And we will support this with our VCA going forward. So that's a really nice example of how we are going through the life with the customer. I'm personally very, very interested in leaving the earth behind as we received it when we got here. Of course, I want to leave a good place to live for the next generations. And there is no other earth. So we have to do everything we can do to make sure it works.